at the Little Haiti Cultural Arts Center. It's definitely a fun place that we welcome everybody to get a taste of Haiti and get to actually really see what the Haitian culture has to offer.
This is made with passion fruit, ginger, and sugarcane moonshine. This is passion fruit.
The real passion fruit?
Try.
Haitian culture is quite beautiful, it's quite rich, and it's very diverse, and we have different immigrants who come from different parts of the world who call this place home now, and this is a great example of what that intersection looks like in a very tangible way.
Every artist has like a story to tell. Coming here for the day, you can find something for everyone. Whether you just want to stop by, learn how to speak Creole, you want to stop by, learn how to dance, do a little two-step, there's something for everyone.